Here is a beginner-level production manager quiz based on production line supervision, workflow design and process engineering, and machine and equipment utilization. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary role of a production manager in a manufacturing unit? A. Marketing products to customers. B. Supervising production operations and ensuring efficiency. C. Managing financial accounts. And D. Handling customer complaints. The answer is supervising production operations and ensuring efficiency. Question 2. Which of the following is a key responsibility of a production manager in line supervision? A. Ensuring continuous material supply. B. Conducting customer surveys. C. Designing promotional advertisements. And D. Managing software installations. The answer is ensuring continuous material supply. Question 3. What does bottleneck mean in a production line? A. A process that speeds up production. B. A quality inspection process. C. A type of production equipment. And D. A point where the production flow slows down due to a constraint. The answer is a point where the production flow slows down due to a constraint. Question 4. Which of the following is a major goal of workflow design in production? A. Increasing customer complaints. B. Reducing process efficiency. C. Improving material and labor flow. And D. Increasing production costs. The answer is improving material and labor flow. Question 5. What is the function of a work breakdown structure, WBS, in workflow design? A. To create a list of suppliers. B. To define the production process steps in detail. C. To monitor customer behavior. And D. To assess financial statements. The answer is to define the production process steps in detail. Question 6. Which production method is best suited for large-scale, continuous manufacturing? A. Job production. B. Batch production. C. Mass production. And D. Custom production. The answer is mass production. Question 7. What is cycle time in production? A. The total time required to complete one unit of production. B. The time taken to design a product. C. The number of products manufactured per day. And D. The time taken for machine maintenance. The answer is the total time required to complete one unit of production. Question 8. Which of these is not a common production workflow optimization technique? A. Lean manufacturing. B. Six Sigma. C. Just-in-time, JIT. And D. Random material handling. The answer is random material handling. Question 9. Which factor is most important in machine and equipment utilization? A. Keeping all machines running 24/7. B. Ensuring machines are maintained and utilized efficiently. C. Using outdated equipment to save costs. And D. Avoiding machine upgrades. The answer is ensuring machines are maintained and utilized efficiently. Question 10. What is preventive maintenance? A. Fixing machines only when they break down. B. Ignoring maintenance schedules. C. Regular maintenance to avoid unexpected failures. And D. Cleaning machines once a year. The answer is regular maintenance to avoid unexpected failures. Congratulations on completing the first 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following helps in reducing machine downtime? A. Implementing a predictive maintenance system. B. Ignoring minor faults. C. Only repairing machines after they completely fail. And D. Increasing the speed of production without inspections. The answer is implementing a predictive maintenance system. Question 12. What is the purpose of workflow automation in production? A. To increase manual labor dependency. B. To eliminate process inefficiencies and improve speed. C. To reduce the use of technology in manufacturing. And D. To increase paperwork in the process. The answer is to eliminate process inefficiencies and improve speed. Question 13. What is the main goal of just-in-time JIT manufacturing? A. Maintaining large inventories. B. Delaying production processes. C. Increasing production costs. And D. Reducing waste by producing only what is needed. The answer is reducing waste by producing only what is needed. Question 14. Which factor affects workplace layout in a production facility? A. Worker comfort and efficiency. B. The number of marketing staff. C. The brand name of the company. And D. The number of accountants in the organization. The answer is worker comfort and efficiency. Question 15. Which of the following is an example of bottleneck resolution in a production line? A. Ignoring slow processes. B. Reducing downtime and optimizing the slowest process. C. Removing quality checks. And D. Producing defective goods to increase output. The answer is reducing downtime and optimizing the slowest process. Question 16. What is the main benefit of using automated production systems? A. Increased error rates. B. Increased manual workload. C. Higher labor costs. And D. Faster and more efficient production. The answer is faster and more efficient production. Question 17. Which of the following best describes work in progress at WIP? A. Finished goods ready for shipment. B. Raw materials stored in the warehouse. C. Partially completed products still in production. And D. Equipment used for manufacturing. The answer is partially completed products still in production. Question 18. What is a key safety measure when working with heavy production machinery? A. Ignoring safety guidelines. B. Ensuring operators are well trained and follow protocols. C. Allowing untrained personnel to operate machinery. And D. Removing safety guards from machines. The answer is ensuring operators are well trained and follow protocols. Question 19. Why is it important to track overall equipment effectiveness, OEE? A. To assess the efficiency and performance of machines. B. To increase employee work hours. C. To reduce the quality of products. And D. To avoid maintenance of equipment. The answer is to assess the efficiency and performance of machines. Question 20. What is the main advantage of using robotic automation in production? A. Increased labor costs. B. Reduced production speed. C. Higher accuracy and efficiency. And D. More human errors in production. The answer is higher accuracy and efficiency. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.